Once upon a time in the bustling jungle of Banyan Grove, there lived a cheeky little monkey named Mo. Was livelier than a biscuit in a box of frogs, swinging from trees and causing all sorts of mischief amongst his jungle friends. One sunny morning, Mo had his eyes set on a new adventure. He wanted to explore the tall mango tree at the edge of the jungle, known for its juicy, golden fruit. But there was a hitch. The fearsome jungle guard, Mr. Rhino, patrolled the area with a watchful eye. Mo, being as clever as he was cheeky, thought of a cunning plan. He decided to distract Mr. Rhino with his talent for tricks. First, Mo gathered a bunch of crunchy leaves and tied them together to make a rustling rope. Then, he made a trumpet out of a hollow bamboo shoot. The next morning, Mo set his plan into action. As Mr. Rhino was drinking water by the river, Mo blew into his bamboo trumpet. The sound was so exotic and amusing that it caught the attention of all the jungle animals. Mr. Rhino, curious and a bit bewildered, followed the sound, leaving the mango tree unguarded. As soon as Mr. Rhino moved away, Mo swiftly swung towards the big mango tree. With monkey agility, he plucked the ripest mangoes he could find. But just as he was about to stash them all in his tiny monkey backpack, he heard a loud snort near the base of the tree. It was Mr. Rhino returning. Mo's heart pounded like a jungle drum. Thinking quickly, he tossed a few mangoes to his friends, parrots, crowned cranes, and even a lazy iguana. As they caught the fruits and chirped joyfully, even Mr. Rhino couldn't help but laugh. The sight of animals munching on sweet mangoes melted his stern demeanor. In the end, Mo apologized for his cheeky antics and shared mangoes with everyone, including the gracious Mr. Rhino. From that day on, the jungle was filled with laughter, and Mo became known as the monkey who made even the gruffest guard smile. And as for the mangoes, they tasted even sweeter when shared.